Hi, this is Tom. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show how to do a research prompt. Okay, to do a research prompt, this is with any of the main AIs now can have a deep research or something similar option. And you could just tell it what you wanted and have it do research for you. But another method to use is to let it write the prompt. And that's a good use case in general for using AI, is that AI is very, very good at writing prompts. And so I started out and I told it in general terms what I was interested in, which is I wanted to research on inference apps. Those are apps that use AI within the app itself. And I just said, give it a little background about me. And then I said, ask me some questions. So this is the main thing I wanted to share. This is a very, very good technique. You just give it a general idea about what your goal is, and then you say, ask me some questions. And so it asked me questions about, what I wanted to do, what kind of AI model I wanted to use, my background, technical background, performance needs. Um, I answered the question. It came up with a prompt, and then I said this was the prompt that it came up with, and you can see how this is a much better prompt, much more detailed than what a human being would write. So it wrote all this as the prompt for the research, and I looked through it and asked it to tweak it a bit, and then it tweaked it. It understood better what I wanted and tailored the research prompt for what I wanted. And then took, I don't know, it probably tells how long it took to do it. Uh, you know, it put together a plan. I said, that's fine, execute it. And it doesn't say how long it took, but probably 5 or 10 minutes. And then here is the report that it wrote. And you can also have it do an audio overview. So you can listen to the results in the form of a podcast. And anyway, that's what I wanted to share. It's just the main concept. And this comes in up over and over again if you're using AI. Is the idea is that let the AI do the things that it is good at doing. And it is really good in writing prompts. And there's lots of use cases for it to be writing prompts instead of you. So that's the main idea here, is have it write the prompt and also ask me questions. That is a really nice technique to get the process going along. Well, I hope you found that interesting and useful. And until next time, thanks for watching.